And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make YouTube thumbnails with AI fast. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to make your YouTube thumbnails with AI, you can use Canva. Simply tap open your Canva app, and once you open it, you will get like thousands and hundreds of different templates which you can use to do so. Now in the search bar, simply search in YouTube thumbnail. Once you type in YouTube thumbnail in your search bar, go and hit the arrow like button, and now you can find different kind of templates that will allow you to make a YouTube thumbnail. So now you can simply select your genre, either it's like beauty or a different kind of wedding, or you want to do something else. And once you have found it, you can simply replace your photos and your edits in that particular template and create your own YouTube thumbnail with your Canva AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.